All right, our Archicad tip of the week this week is going to be coordinating and modeling an MEP model. So there are three methods when we're talking about coordinating MEP. We can import or create a hot link with an IFC file. To do that, we would go to import, or to import that, we would go to Menu, File, External Content, and place the hot link. Or we can go to the hot link menu by going to File, External Content, Place Hot Link, and then we're going to select our hot link file, our IFC file that we're bringing in. Okay, if we are bringing a hot link with a Revit file for the MEP, so the first one we're talking about, that's hot linking an IFC. Second one is a hot linking a Revit file. We would do the same process. We would go to File, External Content, place a hot link, and we would choose that Revit file to bring in. When we're looking a lot of times within our file system, when we're looking for these files, if it's not a native Archicad file, it might show grayed out or it might not show at all. So we might need to change what we're viewing to show Revit files, to show all files, whatever options you have there. Okay, so we can bring in our MEP information if it was done via an outside contractor for both IFC and Revit files, or we can model the MEP using the Archicad MEP tools. All right, to get access to the MEP modeler, there's specific tools that have been created specifically for when we are doing MEP things. It gives us all the tools and interface that make MEP modeling the easiest to us. To do that, we are going to go to Options, Work Environment, Apply for Profile, and we're going to use, this is built into Archicad, the MEP Engineering Basic Profile. All right, and then we can change, and when we're opening a new project, we can choose to have that work environment preloaded for us. Once we have that turned on, we're going to have access to our MEP toolbox. Okay, you'll notice this toolbox is very different than what we usually see in Archicad. It gives us the specific MEP tools to easily model all of those elements. Okay, the MEP elements are put together with smart connection points for automatically connecting things. Think of that similar to how our building materials intersect with each other. Our MEP elements have that same type of technology where they're going to create automatic connections where they need to have it. So if we are creating duct work, okay, we would choose our duct route tool and we would start drawing our ducts. This works very similar to how we would draw our walls and our beams, or really any linear element within our project. And then we can begin adding branches by just clicking in the middle of the duct, using the duct route tool, and start drawing that new route. Once we have that done, whether we have modeled the MEP ourselves using our MEP tools in Archicad, whether we've brought in an external file, it's always good to run a collision detection between our construction elements and our MEP elements. So that way we know that everything is going to be able to connect the way it needs to without degrading the structural integrity of the project. making sure that our ductwork isn't, showing through a slab or anything like that.